creamy, Italian, savory, and unique, this video is all about olive oil gelato. This is a very easy flavor to make based on a Fior di Latte recipe with just a few adjustments. The key ingredient, you guessed it, high quality olive oil. Not a generic grocery store option, and certainly not a bottle that's been sitting in your cabinet for years. Unlike wine, olive oil is best consumed fresh, ideally within a year or two of harvest. When selecting an olive oil, check the label for a harvest date. If it's not listed, it's best to move on. High-quality olive oils will always include this, and the more recent the harvest, the better. From there, prepare your base, starting with the dry ingredients: granulated sugar, non-fat dry milk powder, and tapioca starch. Then, add your whole milk, heavy cream, and light corn syrup. Give everything a thorough whisk, and then after cooking and cooling your base, transfer the mixture to your gelato or ice cream machine and churn until thickened to a soft serve consistency, typically about 25 to 35 minutes depending on your machine. Measure your olive oil, and once the gelato has thickened but is not quite finished, about 5 minutes before extraction, slowly pour it in. Once complete, transfer the gelato to your freezer to firm up for another 2 to 3 hours before serving. A family favorite, this gelato is elegant, simple to make, and highlights the flavor of great olive oil within a balanced base. It's well worth adding to your lineup. As always, be sure to serve at the proper temperature. You can find this recipe in the video description or in our app, Gelato Lab. Enjoy! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Join me inside Gelato Lab for advanced recipes, smart scaling tools, and flavor development guidance built for homemakers and professionals alike. Or visit my websites for free and premium resources, gelato FAQs, and consulting support. Thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!